Okay, welcome back mga scalper. WLD Technical Analysis. Kung makikita natin, we are on a downtrend momentum. Bakit? Meron tayong lower high, and another lower high. So, nasa downtrend momentum siya. And currently, approaching demand area or support area natin. But, without breaking this trend line resistance, nasa downtrend momentum lang tong WLD. And the moment na basagin niya to and bigyan niya tayo ng volume, possible is magkaroon na tayo ng change bias to uptrend momentum. But currently, sa pinapakita nitong WLD, still nasa downtrend momentum pa rin. And meron tayong candle here na pin bar, but since nasa below trend line resistance pa rin tayo, so nasa downtrend momentum pa rin to, we will always wait pa rin sa breakout ng key level natin. So the moment na basagin yung trend line resistance, possible may sumasalo pa rin sa support area natin and to change momentum to uptrend. But the moment na basagin niya naman yung demand area natin or yung support area natin na horizontal, is possible may lalagapakan pa tong WLD.